Welcome to my channel. This week, like the previous weeks, we aim to discuss the weekly zodiac horoscopes and delve into the upcoming events. In this section, we deeply and comprehensively explore the weekly horoscopes for each zodiac sign in 2024. From the passionate Aries and energetic Gemini to the dreamy Pisces and sensitive Cancer, each week brings new insights on how to leverage the dominant energies of that period for progress in various aspects of life. This guide teaches you how to make the best decisions using astrological knowledge, manage upcoming challenges, and discover new opportunities. Covering predictions for work and finances, tips for improving relationships and personal health, this comprehensive weekly guide supports you in all aspects of life. Joining us on this weekly journey offers the opportunity to transform into the best version of yourself under the guidance of the stars. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now to stay updated with my latest and most current videos. And don't forget to like and comment, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Aries, March 21st to April 19th. This week, Aries, your natural leadership skills will be in high demand. Embrace challenges as they come, they're opportunities in disguise. Focus on your health, a new exercise routine could bring surprising benefits. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Taurus, financial stability is on the horizon. It's a good week to reassess your budget and investments. In relationships, patience will be your ally. Keep communication open and honest. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. Curiosity may lead you to new discoveries this week, Gemini. Networking could open doors to exciting opportunities. Be wary of spreading yourself too thin, prioritize your well-being. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd. Emotional connections deepen this week, Cancer. Family and close friends will seek your comfort and wisdom. A creative project could provide a therapeutic outlet for your feelings. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Leo, your charisma shines brightly, attracting both professional and personal attention. Don't shy away from the spotlight. However, make time for self-reflection, it's the key to personal growth. Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd. Practical matters take precedence, Virgo. A methodical approach to tasks will yield success. In love, a small gesture goes a long way. Show appreciation for your partner's support. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd. Balance is your focus, Libra. Strive for harmony in all areas of life. A decision you've been postponing needs your attention. Trust your intuition, it won't lead you astray. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. Transformation is the theme of the week, Scorpio. Embrace change with an open heart. In matters of finance, a calculated risk might pay off. Seek advice from a trusted mentor. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st. Adventure calls, Sagittarius. Whether it's travel or learning something new, broaden your horizons. Be mindful of your words, they carry more weight than you realize. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. Capricorn, your dedication to your goals is unwavering. Recognition for your hard work is on its way. Don't neglect your personal life, balance is crucial for true success. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. Innovation sparks, Aquarius. Your unique perspective will solve a complex problem. Socially, you're in demand. Enjoy the connections but remember to recharge alone. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th. Intuition leads, Pisces. Follow your gut feeling, especially in career decisions. Creatively, you're bursting with ideas. Share them, collaboration could lead to something magnificent. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Your comments are incredibly valuable to us and motivate us to continue. Please feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so to support us. We aim to build a community of like-minded viewers, and we'd be thrilled to have you as part of it. Thank you so much for your support.